Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Akila Rashida Tepauzi and I'm from FYA 1A. Today I will be talking about the things that I have learned from my friends during our discussion on chapter 4. Okay, so the first thing that I have learned from our discussion is about responsibility center. So a responsibility center is a function or department of an organization that is headed by a manager that has direct responsibility for its performance. I have also learned about cost center, which a cost center is an section or is any section of organization to which cost can be separately attributed. I have so the example of cost center include example of cost center may include a department, machine, project, a new product, or a person. I have also learned about profit center, which any section of organization to which both revenues and costs are assigned, so that the profitability of the section may be measured. And the last one, I have learned about investment center. So investment center is a center which has additional responsibility for capital investment. So to summarize this, cost center collect information on cost, while profit center collect information on cost, revenue, and profit. And the last one, investment center collect information on cost, revenue, profit in relation to the value of non-current asset and working capital. The next one, I have also learned about performance measure, which aims to establish how well something or somebody is doing in relation to a planned activity. I have learned cost per unit in this subtopic, which is on how to calculate cost per unit. So the formula is total cost divided by number of unit produced. I have also learned measures of performance using standard hour. The next thing that we have discussed about is performance measures for profit center. So I have learned about profit margin. The operating profit margin is calculated as operating profit divided by sales times by 100%. In this topic, I have also learned about gross profit margin, which calculated as gross profit divided by sales times 100%. The next thing that we have discussed during our discussion is about performance measures for investment center. During this topic, we have learned about return on capital employed, which is ROCE, or return on investment, ROI. I have also learned about residual income, RI. So RI is an alternative way of measuring performance of an investment center. It is a measure of the center profit after deducing a notional or imputed interest cost. The next thing that we have discussed is asset turnover. So asset turnover measures how efficiently the asset of the business are being used. It can be calculated as sales divided by capital employed. For summary, all the things that we have discussed, that I have said before, is related to each other. For example, the formula is written related to each other, which is operating profit divided by capital employed is equal to sale revenue over capital employed multiplied by operating profit and sales over sales revenue. So that is all that we have discussed for chapter 4 of Management Accounting 1. And for summary, the things that we have discussed has helped me understanding this chapter better. That's all from me. Thank you.